Some more cars. 69 Super B 444 speed car. Always love me a Super B. It really looks nice in this red. Information on this car. Looks like it's possibly in 100 to 125,000 range. It is a six-pack. Doesn't state that it's an original six-pack car. Another bench seat. Oh, the 4-speed without console. There it is. That's what it's all about. You got stung by the Super B. There was a guy in New Smyrna used to run around with one of these. It was green, ugly green. These cars just don't look good in green, but I like me a big old Super B. On to the next.